How to download and install GTA 4 on PC. So if you want to download and install GTA 4 on your PC, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with my Chrome browser. So go with search and search for GTA 4. Once you've searched here, you will have your GTA 4. You just need to simply scroll down and you will have Rockstar Games or Steam. You can simply choose any option. So I'll just simply go with Rockstar Games. And here on the left side or on the top right, you will have Buy Now option. You can simply click on Buy Now. Once you click on it, then again click on Buy Now, which is on the left side, and you need to sign into your account. So enter your email address and your password and then sign in. Once you've signed in, then you need to add your payment method. But if you've already added your payment method, go with the purchase option and just simply buy the game. Once you buy the game, then you will have the download option right here and you will be able to download the game. So that's it. That's how you can download and install GTA 4 on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.